Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1997 Honda CRV. It has 47,156 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. This vehicle does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. Alright. The number that y'all are looking at, 75,891, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 47,156. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I would like to say thank you so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. It really does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.